Hey riders! Today, we're diving into the Ninja MTB Jump Ramp Bundle, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for anyone looking to up their jumping game on both MTB and BMX. The bundle comes with 3 Ninja MTB Approach ramps and 3 Ninja MTB Approach boosts, offering the ultimate setup to take your jumping skills to new heights. Designed specifically for MTB and BMX bikes, the boost has a weight limit of 330 pounds, ensuring stability and safety during your jumps. It's not suitable for smaller wheel sports like skateboards or scooters, but if you're into mountain biking or BMX, this is tailor-made for you. What I love about this bundle is its versatility. Whether you're a seasoned rider working on perfecting those bar turns and tail whips or a newbie eager to catch some air, this setup grows with you. The customizable ramp allows you to progress at your own pace, making it suitable for riders of all skill levels. Assembly is a breeze, and the portability of the ramp is a huge plus. Precision CNC cut from treated plywood with an enhanced grip coating, this ramp is not only durable but also easy to carry and store. Perfect for those on-the-go riding sessions. Now, let's talk specs. The Ninja MTB Jump Ramp Bundle is crafted from engineered wood, showcasing a stylish purple color. With an item weight of 127 pounds and dimensions of 214 inch L x 29 W x 25 H, it's a substantial yet manageable piece of equipment. The creators behind this bundle are passionate about mountain biking, and it shows. They're committed to helping you reach your riding goals, and this product is a testament to that commitment. So if you're ready to boost your jumps and reach your full potential on the trail, the Ninja MTB Jump Ramp Bundle is your ticket to an exhilarating ride. Let's ride, my friends! Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.